Are they inverses? They're giving me two functions here, f of x and g of x, and they want to know if they're inverses. So the way we're going to find out is we're going to take the composite functions. If we plug g of x into f of x and get an x, and then we plug f of x into g of x and we also get an x, then they are inverse functions. If not, they're not inverse functions. So the first part of this problem is going to ask me to find the f of g of x. All right, and that means we're taking the g function and plugging it into the f function. So this is based on the f function, so the f of x minus 7. Okay, you see right here, f of x minus 7, f of x minus 7. But instead of x, we're going to plug in the g of x. So let's put the g of x right here inside those parentheses. The g of x is this, x plus 5 over 7. So x plus 5 over 7. All right. Now let's do the math. 5 times x plus 5 over 7. Well, the 5 and the 7 don't cancel. So that's just 5x plus 5 over 7, right? See, these two don't cancel. So there's really nothing I can do there. Minus 7. So let's go ahead and distribute. See if anything happens there. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 5 is 25. All over 7. Let's put it together with this minus 7 over here. So if I'm going to make this a fraction, this is going to end up being, this 7 right here is going to end up being 49 over 7. Okay, so I can have those common denominators, right? 49 over 7 is the same thing as 7. And that's going to give me 5x plus 25 minus 49 all over a common denominator of 7. And that's going to give me 5x minus 24 all over 7. Okay, so the answer to the first part, the f of g of x, is 5x minus 24 over 7. Okay, so we know this is not going to be, these are not going to be inverse functions. It doesn't equal x. All right, but they were asking us to go ahead and do the second part. So the second part I'll put over here. Part B wants the g of f of x. Okay, and they're asking me for this. So the g of f of x is going to be, take the g function, plug in the f function. So the g function is x plus 5 over 7. And what I'm plugging in for the x, right, it was right here. I'm going to put in the f of x right there. So I'm going to put in 5x minus 7. Okay, let's go ahead and simplify this. So in the numerator, I have 5x minus 7 plus 5. Minus 7 plus 5 is going to give me 5x minus 2 over 7. Let me write this 7 a little smaller right here. Okay, and that's it. There's nothing else I can do here to simplify this. So this is the g of f of x. I give them that answer for B, and then part C, are they inverse functions? And I knew after part A, when I did not get an x, that f and g are not inverse functions of each other.